Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to clear Telegram cache, and now let's dive right in. Now to clear Telegram cache, first open up your Telegram app on your phone. And before we proceed guys, you can clear your Telegram cache from two ways: from the app itself on Telegram and from the settings of your phone. We'll be proceeding to both of these processes. So after opening your Telegram app guys, let's proceed to the Telegram app first. At the top left corner of the screen, you can see there's a three-lined icon available for us. Tap on that three-lined icon at the top left, and this kind of panel will appear where you can see the settings option available for us just below the saved messages. Tap on settings, and over here on this interface you can see there's the data and storage over here on the settings just below the notifications and sounds. Tap on data and storage and you will land over here where you can see there is the storage usage option available for us at the top of the screen. Tap on storage usage and you will find over here all of the cache of your Telegram app over here. Now you can see there's the clear cache button available for us. Tap on that clear cache button and this kind of pop-up will appear. Again, tap on clear cache, and this way guys the cache on your Telegram app will be cleared from the Telegram app itself. Now in order to proceed to the settings of our phone, let's go to the settings, and after opening your settings guys, scroll down to the bottom of the screen where you can see or you can find out the apps option available for us just above the location. Tap on apps and tap on app management, which is at the top of the screen. And on this interface guys, we'll be required to search for Telegram by tapping on the search bar at the top, and let's search for Telegram and let's open it. And over here again you can see there is the storage usage option available for us over here. Tap on storage usage and you can find the clear cache option available for us over here on the cache at the right side. Tap on clear cache and the cache will be cleared on your Telegram app from the settings as well. And with that being said guys, this is how to clear cache on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching.